Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today, my favorite snack box just arrived. Do you want to see what I'll be snacking on this month? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so my variety fun just arrived, and I believe this is December's box. Once I open it, I'll correct myself if it's really November, but I think I'm always a month ahead being an influencer. So let's go ahead and see what is going to be in this, I'm gonna say, December box. I love this box, you guys, and I always tell you because they put in every snack that we know and love. Sometimes you'll find some stuff that you've never heard of, well, I have, and they're amazing. So, but normally everything is snacks that we already know. That's why I always say snacks on snacks on snacks. And the ones from last month, I don't know if they're gonna be in here, but the Bada Bean, Bada Boom, whatever, they're like big old flava beans, I think, flava beans. Those were so good. Even the spicy wasabi ones were amazing. I ate all of them. So here's what it looks like. They have magic little elves that put these in here because I can never get them back in like this. But let's go ahead and see what we're going to be getting this month. So first, right on top, we have Remy's Grams in honey and in chocolate. We also have them in cinnamon. Then we have good old Abby's cookies, which these are amazing, and so is Abby. Here is the cookies. So we have the shortbread and chocolate chip. Now we have 100-calorie packs of mini pretzels, the Snyder's. These are so good. I love these pretzels. So we got those, and look, here we go. What did we say? Here we go. Bada bean, bada boom. And this one is garlic and onion. So I like these. They're so good. Now we have Nutter Butter, another favorite of mine. Oreos. We have two different goldfish, and these are my favorite crackers. Like, if you were to ask, be like, I want some goldfish. Here is traditional Czech mix. Here we go. Bada bean, bada boom. Spicy wasabi. They heard me. Like, they heard me. And then we have sweet cinnamon. Ooh, I didn't have this one last time. Sweet cinnamon, that sounds really good. Here's something that I've never seen before. It says Cooper Street granola cookie bakes, real satisfying. Here's a chocolate cherry. This one is blueberry pomegranate. That sounds good. And then we have an oatmeal cranberry. And we also have, here's a Fiber One 70-calorie brownie. These are so good. I ate the last one last month. Sweet and salty mix of peanuts and some sweet goodies up in there. Now we have bite-sized cookies with M&Ms from Keebler. Now we have some peanuts. And we have 4 different things of the salted peanuts. Are they all salted? Yes, they're all the salted peanuts. We have Nature Valley oats and honey. These are really good. We have unsalted roasted cashews. Grandma's, my favorite cookies. Grandma's chocolate chip. And I got 2 chocolate chip. And my favorite is the peanut butter, and I got 2. Yum. And then we got the chocolate brownie. We have the dark chocolate chunk of the granola bar. We have Nature's Garden Cranberry Health Mix. I've never seen that one before, but that looks really good. And then here's an omega-3 deluxe mix and an omega-3 nut mix. So that is everything that came in this snack box. Again, I don't have magic little elf fingers to get this all back in the box all sitting pretty, but I'll get it back in there for my picture and then, you know. So if you want to know about Variety Fun, I now have a new code that saves you guys 30% off your first order. That's amazing. So you can use SheCrafty 30 to now get 30% off your first month's box. Variety Fun snack subscription service delivers an assortment of delicious snacks to your home and office. Every month, our team curates a snack box with a variety of tasty cookies, chips, candies, crackers, pretzels, popcorns, and nuts from all of your favorite brands. And that's what we get. With classic and healthy options, there's something for everyone. So with this one, you can choose to do it once a month, or you can choose to do it twice a month. So you have the option of doing this once a month, or you can do it twice a month if you have like a daycare or a lot of kids over, or you have a lot of kids, or whichever. Or if you want to have things for you or your husband's lunches and your children, when they come home, they can have a snack. You get 40 snacks in this box, 40. So if you even had one snack a day, that's gonna last you over a month. So I think this is an amazing box. It's $24.99 a month, and you get to enjoy all of your favorite snacks, breaking it down to about 62 cents per snack. Now, if you go to a vending machine, we all know you're not gonna find anything for 62 cents unless it's a little 25-cent pack of gum that you're gonna spend 75 cents for. So if you would like the healthy options of snacks, they do that as well. And again, you can do monthly or every other week as well. So the Fit Box is 30 healthy snacks. It's $39.99, which brings it to about $1.33 per healthy snack. And in that one, you'll enjoy a rotating variety of premium healthy options, including kettle chips, think jerky, skinny pop, Laura bars, RX bars, and so much more. They also give back every single month. They donate thousands of snacks to families in need, which that is amazing. I love when companies give back as well. So it's all, we all wash the hands that, what was it? You wash the hand that waxes it? Wait. I like when companies do that, because then it's like you get something that you want, the company is getting business, the company donates to other people. So it's like a little cycle of everybody helping each other. So I like that. So if you have any questions, go ahead and comment down below. If you're interested, follow the link in the description box. Use my code SheCrafty30 to save 30% off. That is amazing. And you get some really cool snacks every single month, or you can do twice a month. And again, this is really good if you have kids, or especially with the holidays coming up and you want to just have snacks in the house, that kind of thing. So you can go ahead and check them out if you would like. You can cancel at any time. And yeah, that is everything that I have for you guys today. Let me know what you thought about it. Are you getting this box currently? Are you on the fence about getting this box? Are you torn between this box and the healthier version? I really like the fact that they do both different styles. The not so healthy version, but amazingly good snacks. And then they have the healthy, more fit style as well. So it basically does fit for anybody's needs, depending on which one you would like to be snacking on. So again, this is my snacks on snacks on snacks. I love this snack box, you guys. And I like to try new things too, because now in here, there's a few that I didn't know about. And last month, I never knew about these, and now I did. And there wasn't a card in here, you guys. Normally there's a card right on top that tells me the box. So I'm still gonna assume this is December's box. Yes, I'm gonna say this is December's box. And if you guys tried these bada bean, bada booms, because if you have, let me know down below, because these are amazing. Yes. So that is everything, you guys. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching this video and coming on and seeing what kind of snacks I'll be snacking on. I actually take this box, I cut the top off, put everything back in, I take it to work, and I put it in the break room. We have a small office, so there's only a few employees, but my employees definitely love anytime I bring this in. And yeah, they go back and forth in the kitchen all the time. So if you have an office and you want to have a nice little selection for your employees, that's an amazing thing too. So you can have them delivered to your office or your home. So snacks on snacks on snacks. I'll see you guys on the next one. And until then, keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye.